So we got a special one for you. We're kind of doing the intro and the outro at the same time because this is a different type of product, but it's a cooler by Bodega. And the cool thing about this is it plugs into a cigarette lighter. There is a fridge side and a freezer side. There's an app. I'll go through all of that right here. Alright, so we just drove from Los Angeles, California to Utah with this, and our food inside was steaks and all sorts of stuff. And it was about a 9-hour drive, and everything's nice and cool in here. But all of our
yogurt, steak,
all of our food stayed very fresh, and as you can see, you know, I drive kind of a smaller hatchback, and it fits perfect in there. This thing honestly is a lifesaver because we normally get ice and all this stuff, and it's kind of unnecessary, but
well, it's necessary, but
it's necessary.
If you got one of
but
these,
yeah, if you got one of these, it's unnecessary. You no longer have to get ice or anything like that. So
it's fridge on the go.
Yeah, fridge on the go and freezer. I was driving and I actually checked the app a couple times, which was awesome. I could, you know, check the temperature of the fridge and the freezer, and I could change the temperature as I was driving. So
that's handy.
Yep. Thank you, Bodega, for sending us this cooler. And Crystal, do your thing.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. But until next time, we're going to get some groceries inside.
We got unpack.
Yeah.